welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Megan, and today we're going to be doing a look on the I Love Sarahi ColourPop Through the Eyes bundle. So I have both the eyeshadow palette and the lipsticks and the lip gloss, so we'll be using those today to create this look. If you guys want to learn more about the collaboration she did and how the eyeshadows work and to get this snatched look, then keep watching. Alright, so first I'm going to go in with some tape. Line the sides of my eye and connect it with my eyebrow. Then using the Too Faced 24-Hour Shadow Endurance Primer, I'm going to put that on. Then using the Sigma E40 brush, I'm going to use the shade Sandalwood just to set my eyes. Then using the Morphe M433 brush, I'm going to use the shade Nostalgia and just go through the crease of my eye. Going in circles and kind of just fluffing it up toward the brow bone. Using that Sigma E40 brush, going back in with Sandalwood. Just blending it all out. Cleaning off that M433 brush from Morphe, going in with the Sigma E25 brush in the shade Divina. I'm gonna pack that on the whole lid of my lash. Bring it all the way up to where my crease is. Then using a Morphe E17 brush, kind of like a thicker pencil brush, I'm just gonna go over that crease just to darken it up. Using that Morphe M433 and going back in with the shade Nostalgia. Blending it all together, giving it that gradient look. Then I'm going to be trying the Benefit Roller Lash Eyeliner. It has like a little felt tip here and it's like super black. So I'm excited to try that. Go ahead and line my eye. I first start and flick out a line right next to the tape and then kind of connect it all the way in and fill it all together. Same thing for the other eye. This felt tip is so soft. I'm gonna take the tape off. It's gonna leave you with that sharp wing on the sides there. We're gonna use the Velour Lashes and Fluff and Wispy to add some dramatic lashes. I'm gonna do that off camera. All right, so now that the lashes are on, I'm gonna go ahead and start with the face. I'm going to be using the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I haven't used this yet. I bought like a little sample because I wanted to test it out before spending that much money on a primer. But I'm going to take a little, put it on my face. It smells so good. If you guys want to see a video of me doing my eyelashes, let me know in the comments down below. I know I haven't really showed that yet, but I feel like everyone kind of puts theirs on the same way. Then I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution foundation. I have been obsessed with this foundation. It's $12 at the drugstore. So this foundation is so great. The application is this huge doe foot applicator. Easy to apply. Long lasting, the coverage is great. I was like shocked by this. It's been the one I've been going to and grabbing like constantly. I haven't even been using anything else. And I'm not very self-tanned right now, and this kind of matches me when I'm self-tanned, so I'm gonna bring it down my neck too in a second, just so everything matches. And it comes in a glass bottle. It's so cute. The packaging's great. The only thing about glass though is you have to be worried when you travel. Nothing breaks, but it seems pretty thick. Then using the Huda Beauty concealer, I'm in the shade Merengue. I'm gonna go ahead and do my under eyes. Then I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Contour. Kind of put that up, and then I'm gonna blend that out with the Beauty Blender. I'm gonna do that before I set my face. I don't wanna get any powder where I contour, or else the liquid isn't going to stick. Then using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, I'm gonna bake the areas of my face that I put concealer on. And while that's baking on my face, I'm going to go ahead and do my under eye using this Tarte Gold pencil brush. I'm going to go in with the shade Nostalgia and just kind of that on my lower lash line. This palette is so fun. It has so many different colors where you can do so many different looks. Like they have the oranges, the yellows, the greens, the purples, the pinks, and the glitters are so cute. I'm really excited to use this Flex shade. It's like a glittery purpley silver. Then using the Morphe M432 brush, I'm going to use the shade Divina again and kind of just go in the outer corner of my eye. Just right down there. I'm not gonna bring it all the way into the tear duct area. I'm gonna keep it smoky on the outside. These shadows are super creamy. She did a really good job with this palette. Definitely be grabbing this more. Then using this Maybelline Define Align eyeliner in Ebony Black. Just gonna do the same thing, just the outer corners. And using this Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara, I'm gonna do my lower lashes. Then just using any brush, I'm using the Morphe E3 brush. I'm just gonna wipe away that setting powder that I put on earlier. And using the Morphe M437 brush and my go-to Marc Jacobs bronzer in Tantastic. I'm just gonna contour my cheek. Just go over that liquid contour that I put on earlier, making it more dramatic. Then going in with the translucent powder again, I'm just gonna carve out my contour here, just making it a little bit sharper. Then using this little brush here, I'm going to use my bronzer and just kind of contour my nose a little bit. Then using this Morphe E4 brush and this Too Faced blush and Your Love is King. This is like my favorite blush if you have not noticed. Kind of pop that on there. Then with this Morphe M501 brush, I'm going to use the Morphe highlighter in Extra. Just gonna kind of put that on the cheekbone, on the brow bone, inner corners. Then I'm just gonna wipe this off here. Then using the I Love Sarhi lip glosses, I'm going to use the Ultra Matte Lips. I'm gonna swatch both colors here. This one's kind of like a pinky orange, and then this one's more of a nude. They're the Ultra Matte Lips by ColourPop. So if you guys are familiar with those formulas, they're really nice. I'm gonna use the nude. Then using the gloss that came in her set as well. Just gonna kind of put that on top. All right, then I'm gonna finish the whole look with the Urban Decay setting spray and the all-nighter. Just shake it up. Complete everything and you're done. All right, you guys, so this completes this look using the I Love Sarhi Through the Eyes palette by ColourPop. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button down below. Comment what you'd like to see in future videos and make sure to subscribe. Bye.